When recounting or retelling a story, you need to include an important detail from the beginning, the middle, and the end of the story. Others should be able to understand what happened in the story without having to read the whole story themselves. Recounting is also sometimes called retelling or summarizing. Let's read the story, The Lion and the Mouse. Then we'll work on recounting the story. The Lion and the Mouse. A lion lay asleep in a forest. A little mouse ran across the lion's nose. The lion woke up from his nap. He was angry with the mouse. "Leave me," said the poor mouse. "Please let me go, and someday I will surely help you." The lion smiled to think that a small mouse could ever help him, but he was kind and finally let the mouse go. Some days later, the lion was caught in a net. He roared, asking someone to set him free. The mouse heard the lion's voice and quickly found the lion. She gnawed the rope until it broke. The lion was free. "Now you see that even a small mouse can help a big lion," said the mouse. To recount this story, first we need to look at the beginning of the story and pick out an important detail or the big idea from that section. The detail, "He was angry with the mouse," is an important detail to include in a recounting. It tells who the characters are and the first big thing that happened between them. Now let's pick out an important detail from the middle of the story. The detail, "But he was kind and finally let the mouse go," is an important detail to include. This shows how the lion treated the mouse. Now let's pick out an important detail from the end of the story. "She gnawed the rope until it broke," is an important detail to include. This shows how the mouse helped the lion in the end. To recount or summarize the story, we have to take the important details from the beginning, middle, and end of the story and put them in our own words. We need to retell the events of the story in order. The lion is angry with the mouse for waking him up. The lion decides to be nice and let the mouse go. Later, the mouse chews through a rope and sets the lion free from a net. This is our recounting of the story, The Lion and the Mouse.